What's up, traders? What's up, traders? How you guys doing today? I hope you're all doing great. It's another fine morning, and you know what? I'm back with another banger for you guys, right? As you can see here, guys, I'm already in a trade. I'm already in a buy setup over here, and today I'm going to teach you a really powerful strategy which you can use to trade the Crash 1000 and Boom 1000 index, guys, right? So before I even start the video, please make sure you watch the whole video so that you understand everything pertaining this strategy. Then go to a demo account, backtest, then you can go to a live account, right? Okay, also if you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button, like the video. You can even put a comment and tell me something, right? And I really appreciate, we are on our way to 100 subscribers, and I really appreciate all my subscribers. And also, if you're new, just hit that subscribe button, right? It really motivates me. I am posting only quality content. You can also go back to my old videos and see I've posted many strategies. Just go back, watch all those videos, right? Okay, thank you so much. So let me just head straight and start with the strategy. As you can see here, okay, this strategy only requires 3 indicators, right? It only requires 3 indicators. These are the indicators: the stochastic, the MACD, right? And also this, it's called the alligator, right? It's the alligator, right? Okay, I'll give you the settings. Let me start by first explaining. As you can see, I'm already in a trade here, guys. You can see I'm already in a trade. I'm already in a trade over here. So guys, look here. This is Crash 1000, right? This is Crash 1000. Crash 1000, we are looking for buys. Crash 1000, we are looking for buys, right? So before we buy, right, there are certain conditions that have to be met, right, guys? So again, look here, guys, let me show you now. As you can see now in the stochastic, you can see now this region, right? You can see this region. The MACD, right? The MACD, it's this, you can see these lines, these black lines over here, right? These lines, right? These are the lines for the MACD, right? You can see it touched this region over here, which is the 1020 region, right? You can see this 1020 region, right? And it exactly touched this 10 region, meaning now that price here was oversold. You can see sellers were pushing with the spikes, right? They were pushing down with the spikes, making the market to be oversold, right? But now, after now the crossover, right? As you can see here, guys, as you can see here now, you wait now for this crossover of the alligator, right? After now the crossover, you're now looking to buy, right? As you can see now, it touched this 10, right? In the MACD, you can see it touched the 10 region from the MACD, which is here, right? And after touching that 10, you can see it changed. You can see this red line, it started now, price now trading above this red line, right? And you can see now there was a crossover over here, right? So that is those are like conditions that have been met for a buy setup, right? Now the most important thing, you have to check the trend from the 15 minutes time frame, right? This is really important. 15 minutes time frame, you check the trend. So how do we check the trend? Let me just head to the 15 minutes time frame and show you how to check the trend, right, guys? So this is the 15 minutes time frame. As you can see, guys, this is the 15 minutes time frame, right? So look here, guys. You can see you can see here we have here like green candlesticks, right? So you can see now the green candlesticks represents now buyers, right? Remember, we are scalping from the 1 minute time frame, right? But now the 15 minutes time frame, it's a higher time frame which can confirm the trend. As you can see now, there was a green candlestick, right? The green candlestick, it represents now the buyers, right? The green candlestick is what we are scalping. The green candlestick, let me just show you quickly. You can see now this green candlestick over here, right? That is forming currently, the current green candlestick. Let me just show you. Sorry for that. You can see now. You have to see now the green candlestick so that you buy, right? You have to see the green candlestick. It confirms the trend to be an uptrend from the 15 minutes time frame, right guys? I hope you've understood that. This is really important because it's the trend. This is how you check the trend, right guys? You can see the green candlestick that is forming. It represents the buyers. Okay, so let me just head back straight to the 1 minute chart. Okay, I think I've scalped enough of this. You are looking just to scalp 5 to 7 candlestick, right guys? You're looking to scalp 5 to 7 candlesticks, right? 5 to 7 candlesticks are enough, right? So let me just close these trades, then I can head back to you guys and continue teaching you. Let me just close these trades, guys. Okay guys, I've just closed those buy setups. They are already in profit. And guys, I hope you've understood what I've taught you through how to check your buys. Let me give you another example. You can see it's really accurate, guys. The MACD is really accurate. This strategy is really powerful, right? As long as you trade it with the trend from the 15 minutes time frame, you're going to make money. Look here again, guys, right? The same thing happened over here, right? You can see the MACD touched this the 10 region, meaning now that it was oversold. You can see these huge spikes, right? You can see the spikes, right? Meaning now price here was oversold. And now when it started trading above this red line, right? You can see here it started trading above this red line, right? So after the crossover from the main chart here in the alligator, right? So this is the region where, right? This is where you take your buys. You buy, right? Scalp 5 to 7 candles, right? And remember guys, check trend on the 15 minutes time frame. You have to check the trend from the 15 minutes time frame, right? The trend, because now when you understand the trend, you have a higher probability of winning the trade, right guys? So remember to check trend. How I've shown you from the first example. You want to see a green candlestick. You want to see a green candlestick from the 15 minutes time frame. As simple as that, guys. You want to see a green candlestick, right? So let me give you the last example, then we can head to boom 1000 and show you how to take sales. Guys, look here again. I want you to see this, right? I want you to see this, guys. Okay, look here. You can see here, right? There were huge spikes to the downside. You can see, right? And now the MACD, it went to the oversold region, which is the 10-20, and you can see now when it touches this 10 region over here, this 10 region, you can see this 10 on the stochastic, right? You anticipate now your buy, right? But you just don't buy from here. Now you wait for the crossover in the alligator of the main chart, right? So this is where you buy here, guys. Then you scalp 5 to 7 candlesticks, then you're out, right? Also guys, remember to check trend from the 15 minutes time frame. You want to see a green candlestick. You want to see a green candlestick. Remember crash, we are just buying, right? You want to see a green candlestick. As simple as that, right? You can see something similar is happening. Okay guys, let me head now to boom 1000 and show you how you can take your sales, right? Because now boom 1000, we're just looking for sales. This crash 1000, these two pairs is what you're trading with this strategy, right? Only these two pairs. Crash 1000, we're looking to buy, right? Boom 1000, we're looking for sales. Remember this, guys. Okay, so boom 1000, let's just head straight and see what's happening. You can see also that there was a setup over here, but I don't think I can take this trade because it has already, it has already played out, right? I could have taken it earlier, but you have seen the same thing happen. You can see now, right? Price here, you can see these huge spikes to the upside, right? Here in the MACD, you can see now price here touched the 90 region, meaning now that it was overbought with these spikes, right? As you can see here, this was this region, you can see, right? Now you don't sell from here, right? You wait for the crossover of the alligator here, then this is the region where you're looking for sells, right? This is where you sell, right? Now for you to sell, you can see now again here, let me just show you quickly. You can see now from in this MACD, the red line now, the MACD started trading below these red lines. You can see now these lines, they started trading below the red line over here, right? So this was a high probability trade, right? You sell, scalp 5 to 7 candlesticks. Also, we are checking the trend from the 15 minutes time frame, right? The 15 minutes time frame, we are checking the trend, guys. Okay guys, so the trend, this is how you check the trend. You just head to the 15 minutes time frame, right? This is the 15 minutes time frame, guys. You can see this red candlestick that is forming currently, right? You can see this red candlestick, this one that is forming currently, right? This one now it shows now that sellers are in the market, right? It shows now that sellers are in the market, guys. Simple as that. You can see, because now this is the 15 minutes time frame, it's a higher time frame than the 1 minute time frame, guys, right? So this is how you know your trend. You have to see a red candlestick on the 15 minutes time frame so that it confirms your sell. If you don't see a red candlestick, don't take that trade. You have to see the red candlestick starting to form, guys, right? As you can see now, how that trade could have won. You can see this red candlestick that is forming currently, right? Then let's head to the 1 minute chart and you see what now has happened. You can see, guys, right? Look here. This is now the setup. This is how you check this type of setups, right? This is how you sell. You're looking to scalp this region, right? Okay, guys, let me show you another example. Look here again, guys. You can see again here, there were spikes to the upside, right? Making the price to be overbought. And you can see how it played out here. You can see the MACD touched the stochastic 90 region, right? This 90 region, right? So this was around this region, right? So you just don't sell from here. You wait for the crossover here, right? So this is where you sell. You sell. You're looking to capture this move, this sell move, right? So here you're just scalping 5 to 7 candles, 5 to 7 candles, and you're out. And also, guys, remember to check 15 minutes time frame, because you have to see a red candlestick. The red candlestick represents the trend. As simple as that, guys. I hope you've understood that one, right? You have after seeing this type of it's something similar, right? You can see, right? So when you see the 15 minutes time frame and you see a red candlestick, right? So you take that setup and you scalp 5 to 7 candlesticks, right? Also, guys, it is the third zoom level, right? You can see that this one, the first zoom level, second zoom level, third zoom level, right? The third zoom level, right? Let me give you just like the last example. Let me give you the last example so that I can give you the indicator settings, right? You can see here, guys. Let me just show you simple. Look here, guys. can see here the MACD touched this 90 region, the 90-80 region, you can see, right? The MACD touched, this was around here, right? Now you don't sell from here, you wait for the crossover of the alligator, right? So this is where you sell. This is the region where you sell from there, right? You scalp 5 to 7 candlesticks. I hope you're seeing something similar. It's something similar. You can't go wrong with this strategy, right? Also, you check the trend from the 15 minutes time frame, right? In the 15 minutes time frame, you have to see a red candlestick. You have to see a red candlestick. If you don't see a red candlestick, don't take that setup, right? Because now, if you take that setup, you can lose your money because of spikes. You have to see the red candlestick confirming your trend to the downside. As simple as that, guys, right? I hope you've understood. If you've not understood, please just rewatch the whole video again so that you understand everything, so that you can trade and make money from the markets, guys. Okay, now let me just give you the settings quickly, right? Look here, guys. This the first one is the alligator. You can see the alligator, right? The alligator on the main chart. These are the settings of the alligator. Please just screenshot this, then you can paste them in your charts. Look here, guys. These are the settings of the alligator. Just screenshot them, screenshot it, then paste them in your charts. Also, in the alligator, this is the lip style, right? You can see this lip style, the purple one. This is the only color that we want to see. You can see these other ones, we don't want to see them. Put them at the color of your background. The lip style, this lip style is which you want to see. Put it at any color of your choice and 4 pixel, and you're done, right? This is now the alligator from the main chart. This is now this alligator. Let me just show you quickly. This purple line is the alligator, right? So again, now the stochastic here, guys, the stochastic oscillator. You can see now these are the settings of the stochastic. Look here again, guys, these are the settings. Screenshot it, then paste them in your charts. Here the colors, put them at the color of your background. Mine is white. I've kept mine at white. If you have a black background, put them at black. Again, these are the levels. These levels are really important. Make sure you plot these levels. Make sure you screenshot it, paste it as it is in the charts, right? Okay, the stochastic, and we're done with it, right? You can see the stochastic over there. Our last indicator, right? It's the MACD. The MACD, this indicator, right? This indicator, you add it in indicator window 1. This is where you tap so that you can add the MACD in the stochastic, right? So these are the settings of the MACD. These are the settings. Just take a screenshot, then you can paste it exactly as it is in your charts. These are the settings, and you're done, guys. As simple as that, right? As simple as that, guys. Okay, so thank you so much for watching the video, and if you've watched the whole video, I really appreciate you. I wish you all the best with this strategy. Make sure you follow all the rules, you understand the trend from the 15 minutes time frame, and put it into practice on a demo account first, then you can go to the live account, guys, right? Okay, thank you so much. I really appreciate you. My God bless you. Continue grinding each and every day, and for sure you're going to make it one day from the forex market. Okay, thank you so much. I really appreciate you.